Hi everyone, this is Deb. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. So this is my video for hashtag pink ribbon, which is hosted by Jean over at Jean's Gems. Hi Jean. And this today, which is the 14th of October, our theme was heart. Well, at least it better be because that's what I made. Yes. Day 8, heart. And I started off with one thing in mind, but I went to get my heart dies out. I have a whole, this many heart dies standing up. Yeah, they're not in there. I don't know where they are. So, and I looked in my Valentine bin and they're not in there. So, ah. They're somewhere in this mess of a room. I just have to clean it and figure out where. So anyway, I went a different direction. I pulled out my Valentine bin. I used one sheet of paper out of this Echo Park Paper Company called Blowing Kisses. And the paper I used, well, the back of it has little doilies on it, but they're not heart-shaped. But this music paper, and it's on a cream background with light pink notes. And this is a piece of ephemera out of the ephemera pack, which had part of a heart doily on it. It was already a tag. So I had a few, this is Stampin' Up! Very Vanilla. I think this was the thick. They stopped selling that now this year. But anyway, I had some and I thought I went with that. I did go around, I did corner around the edges of it. And I used tea dye Distress Oxide on the back, the card, the pink, which I'll tell you about in a minute, the design paper, the sentiment, and these two pieces. So I did not go around these two little hearts. So anyway, I used the paper. I die cut that piece out with this. And I also cut the two little hearts out here with that. And the color I used as the background here and for those hearts is Stampin' Up's Pretty in Pink. Apparently this had been one of their colors. They retired it, but it came back as an in color for 2 years. I actually hope they keep this color because it's one of their better pinks in my opinion that they've ever had. And I was a demonstrator from 2018 to 2022. And yeah, that's my favorite pink they've ever had, I think. So they ought to bring that back and maybe retire something else. Anyway, so the stamps I used to stamp Just Wanted to Say is out of this set, which has a punch, not dies. And I used Just Wanted to Say. And then on the inside, I stamped I Love That We Are Friends and just the double little hearts here. And I thought that could be for any time, but it's pink hearts doily and these little hearts here. I am sure, well, I thought I was sure I had pink hearts this color, Jemmies, but I could not find them. This actually is Bubble Bath ribbon, another pink they brought in to their color family this year. It's a little paler than Pretty in Pink, but I thought it went okay. And the only other light pink ribbon I had was the skinny one from Dollar Tree, and I didn't like that as well. I just tied this bow using the bunny ear method and glued it down with Fabri-Tac because this larger ribbon, it doesn't seem to stick well for me with glue dots, but it does for the thin ribbon. So anyway, that's what I did. And the Jemmies, like I said, are just Dollar Tree gemstone stickers. I have to go to Dollar Tree again and see if I can find pink hearts that color, but probably not till closer to Valentine's Day, right? Anyway, that is my make for hashtag pink ribbon. There's my pink ribbon. Hearts. Just wanted to say dot dot dot. I love that we are friends. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing if you're not already, and please consider giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I truly appreciate it. I am in trying to get my channel to grow mode, and it has been. Oh, and I just want to say thank you. Last I looked, I was 3,906. I finally broke 3,900. So yay. And maybe I'll be thinking about a giveaway, but it might not be till early next year because the rest of this year is just going to be crazy for me. So please stay tuned and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace, my friends.